everybody. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. I love the fact that the braids are very small and it also comes with some curls. Let me move closer so you guys can see. And this is the tag that it came with. Yep. I just love this hair because I feel like this is gonna be my go-to hair all the time. So let's talk about the curls, right? And also it also has a band. It also comes with a band. It comes with a band in the back. This band is gonna help you secure the hair, and also comes with some clips right here, which I think is very, very important. Let's not forget about that. And I am so excited to try it on. And also, I also got this elastic band right here after I do the edges. And I love this bag, okay? Because this is the bag where I'm gonna be putting the hair after I use, which I feel like this is really, really good. So it has a zipper. And yes, so now let's take this off. By the way, guys, it also comes with a wig band too. It also, guys, it also comes with a wig cap. Okay, I already have it on my head. I'm gonna try to see how it looks like if I don't use foundation. So let's see. Wait, guys, be patient. Be patient. Now this is what it looks like. Hold on, I feel like look. Now, let's put it on. Let's put it on. The wig and the hair. In the hair. Take it to the head. Yeah. It definitely looks better. Looks better. Braiding hair, I love it. And you can do like so many hairstyles with it. You can do a side part if you want to be honest, like this. It looks cute on the side. What you think? I think this is cute. Honestly, if I want to see myself in braids, I think I'll definitely get a wig instead, because just it's so easy. I look so pretty. But guys, this is the final look, guys. So this is what the curls look like. Let me move closer so you guys can take a look. This is the back. Yeah, so this is the back. Yeah. Let me lift it. Didn't glue it. Just push it back. And you are ready to go. This is mad cool. This is what the head looks like, guys, and it's literally braided all the way. Like, I think this is the cool part, like it's braided all the way. Braided all the way. You can put it in a bun. You can do like a half up, half down. Like, this hair is the best, it's the bomb. So also, guys, I did not have to bleach the hair at all. The hair already came like this. I just had to put a little bit of foundation underneath just to blend in with my skin, and I was ready to go. No glue. I didn't spend a lot of money sitting down on a salon. I didn't spend a lot of time. I didn't have to spend time or money sitting at the salon just to get this nice braids, guys. All I had to do is just put it on, okay? Glueless wig from Ft.JALIZA.